Hello students, how are you? Hopefully you all are good and safe at home. So keep learning, and for that purpose I have uploaded one more video for you all. So now in a previous video we have completed exercise 1.1 and today we are going to start the next exercise 1.2. Before that, let us go through all the terms that will help you in that exercise. So, this is class 11th NCERT Maths exercise. For exercise 1.2, we are going to do the intro part. So, let us go through types of set. So, types of sets, very first set is the empty set. Empty set means, empty means khali, which doesn't have any element. A set which does not contain any element. Okay, means in that set we don't have any element, is called empty set, or it also known as null set or void set. So always remember this thing in your mind. Empty set is also known as null or void set. So how we can denote empty set? The empty set is denoted by symbol of phi or curly braces without any element. Okay, so what do you mean by empty set? The set which doesn't contain any element, जिसके अंदर कोई element नहीं है, and it is represented by phi or curly braces without any element. So for example, I have A equal to, this is a set builder formula, null set. X is such that x is greater than 4 and less than 5, and x is a natural number. So we all know that between 4 and 5 we don't have any natural number. That means there is no element in this set. Then A is empty as there is no natural number between 4 and 5. Now come to the next, finite set. A set which is empty, or just keep this thing in your mind. Finite means a set which is empty or consists of definite number of elements. Means या तो set खाली है or it is definite number of element that can be counted, is called finite set. Let n be the set of the days of a week. So this is a finite set because we all know that there are 7 days in a week. So 7 is finite. So we can say that this is finite set. Now come to the next, that is infinite set. Infinite means a set which has infinite number of elements, means the elements cannot be counted. For example, set of all integers. So you all know very well we can't count the integers. So this is infinite set. So let us recall all that sets once again. Empty set or null or void. It is also known as null or void set. It doesn't contain any element. Then finite set. Finite set can be empty as well as it consists finite number of elements. Infinite set which contain infinite number of elements. Now come to the next. So this is equal sets. So we can say that two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly the same elements, and we write A equal to B. Two sets are equal if elements of both the sets are same. Otherwise the set are called unequal, and we will write them as A is not equal to B. So let us take one example. Here we have A equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4 and B equal to 3, 1, 4 and 2. Here we have 4 elements. Here again we have 4 elements. And if we compare the element, 1 is here, 1 is also here, 2 again here, 2 is also here. 3 is an element having in both the sets, and 4 is also in both the sets. So yes, we can say that A equal to B. Now one thing is very important here. Suppose I have A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 2, comma 2, comma 1, comma 3, comma 3. Then what about A equal to B or A is not equal to B? Because I have 3 elements here, but in set B I have 5 elements. You know what? As I told you earlier, element of sets will not be repeated. Okay. If we have 2 times 2, I will write it one time only. Okay. So elements will not be repeated. So again, if we compare 1, 2, 3, yes, here I have 1, 2, 3. So we can say that A equal to B. As a set does not change if one or more elements of the set are repeated. Okay, I can write 2 as many times I want, but the set will not change. One element consider only one time. So now on these sets, the next exercise depends, and let us start the next exercise, that is exercise 1.2. This is exercise 1.2, and here we are going to start very first question, and that is, see, which of the following set are examples of null set? Okay, as we have done, null set means that set which does not contain any element. So let us go with first. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. So we know that odd natural numbers never divisible by 2. Only even numbers divisible by 2. So yes, we don't have any element in this set. So this is a null set. Yes, this is a null set. Set of even prime numbers. If we are talking about even prime, so yes, we have 2. So 2 is even prime. So in this set I have 2. So this is not a null set. X is such that x is a natural number and x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. So yes, I have one natural number, that is 6 between 5 and 7. So this is not a null set. Y is such that y is a point common to any two parallel lines. So we all know that if lines are parallel, then they will not intersect at any point. That means they will not have any common point. So at that time in this set we don't have any point here. So yes, this is also a null set. Now come to the next question. So next question is, write which of the following sets are finite or infinite. Finite means number of elements will be finite. So let us go to the first part. The set of months of a year. So we all know that in a year we have 12 months only. So this is finite set. So now the next one, 1, 2, 3, these are the natural number and it goes on and on and on. So this is infinite set because we don't have, this is infinite set. We don't have finite number of elements here. 1, 2, 3, 99 and up to 100. So these are the natural number up to 100. So this is also finite. The set of positive integers greater than 100. So greater than 100 we have lot of many integers. So we can say that this is also infinite set. Now the next one. The set of prime numbers less than 99. So this is finite. The prime number less than 99 can be counted and it is a finite set. Set of prime number less than 99. Yes, this is done. So now next question. This is question number 3. And what is given here in this question? See, state whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. Very first part. The set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. So here we can have lot many lines which is parallel to x-axis. ऐसे बहुत सारी lines possible हैं जो x-axis के parallel हैं. So we can say that this is infinite. The set of letters in the English alphabet. Obviously this is finite set. Now the next, the set of numbers which are multiple of 5. So multiple of 5, we can have many numbers which are multiple of 5. 5 multiply 1, that is 5. 5 multiply 2, that is 10. And we can take n multiple of 5, because we have so many natural numbers, infinite number. So we can have infinite multiples of 5. That means this is also infinite set. Now come to the next. And that is, yes, fourth part, the set of animals living on the earth. So this is obviously infinite, we can't count them. The set of circles passing through the origin 0, 0. We can have so many circles like that which can pass through the origin. Okay, because from a single point we can draw as many circles as we want. There are infinite number of circles can be passed through a single point. So this is also infinite. Now come to the next. In the following, state whether A is equal to B or not. So for A equal to B, what is the condition? The element of A should be the element of B. They should have same elements. The order can be different, but at least they should have the same element. So let us check. A, B, C and D. Here we also have A, B, C and D. So this is equal. Here we can say that A is equal to B. Now the next one. 4, 8, 12, 16. Here we have 4, 8. 12 is not here. So we cannot say that A equal to B. So this is not equal. A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But B, X is positive even integer and X is less than or equal to 10. So yes, this is true. So A is equal to B. X is such that X is a multiple of 10. And here we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So here we can say that 15 and 25 is not the multiple of 10. So for this case, A is not equal to B. Fine. So let us continue with the next question, and that is question number 5. So for this question number 5, see, okay, for this question number 5 we have, are the following pairs of sets are equal? Give reason. For first part we have A equal to 2 and 3, and X is such that X is the solution of X square plus 5X plus 6 equal to 0. So if we solve this, then what we will have? We will have minus 2 and minus 3 as the solution. Okay, so obviously minus 2 and minus 3 will be in set B, and here we have 2 and 3 only, so these are not equal. These are not equal. X is such that X is the letter of the word follow, and Y is such that Y is the letter of the word wolf. So here we have WOLNF, again WOLNF. That means if we will write them in the roster form, then we will have the same element. So yes, in this case A is equal to B. Now come to the last question. This is, from the sets given below, select equal sets. So here we have 2, 4, 8 and 12, and now here in the other one we don't have these elements, so A is not equal to any other. 1, 2, 3, 4. B has 1, 2, 3, 4, but D also have 1, 2, 3, 4. So yes, clearly it is clear that B equal to D, and E and G are also equal. So E is equal to G, as E equal to minus 1 and 1, and G equal to 1 and minus 1. So this is quite simple exercise. So we have completed this. Now I'm going to upload the next video for the next exercise. Hopefully this video helped you a lot, and thank you so much for watching.